Lately, I see so many different posts about two travel companies all over Facebook, InteleTravel or Travorium, which one to pick. So I decided to go through their websites and collect some information for you and put in this video together. So anything in this video you can see, it's open to the public, it's collected from their websites. All right, let's go. Let's compare. InteleTravel was founded in 1991, so a little over 30 years. Travorium was only found in 2013, so over 10 years. It makes you think who is longer in the industry and what do they offer and about their record. In teletravel, once you join the business, you will see that you're becoming a travel advisor login. In Travorium, you're gonna see you becoming a part of the travel club. Can you even sell travel to other people or you just a part of the travel club? To be honest, I was not able to find the compensation plan. What are the commissions? If there is commissions included, please comment below this video because nothing in their plan. So let's see next. How do you start? InteleTravel is one-time fee $179.99. On Travorium, there is three different memberships from $69.95 to $269.95. Depends on how much discounts would you like to get. If you want to get more, pay $270. In InteleTravel, it's the same. Doesn't matter. Let's go next. Members can start booking travel, get education, and everything in the first minute they become InteleTravel advisors. If you join Travorium, you have to watch the screen for 7 days without making any bookings or getting any perks for yourself. What's the point, right? But let's see further. You have 30 days money back guarantee with InteleTravel. So 30 days you can get education, make bookings, see the website, and you can decide if you want to go further or not. In Travorium, you have 14 days only. And out of those 14 days, don't forget 7 days you're not allowed to make any bookings. So you only have 7 days to check if you want to go further or not. And if you want to go further, how much is it? InteleTravel, $39.99. Travorium from $52 to $135. Depends on discounts you want to get. And how much are the discounts? How much are the payouts? Both companies offers from 20 to 60% off on your personal vacation. Plus, InteleTravel, they have a commission-based payouts from 5% to 28%. So you can see clearly, you can book hotel for others and everything and get commission to yourself. And the education they provide, InteleTravel education based on the cruises, based on the hotels and everything else, travel industry. Travorium education is only based on the network marketing. So you're gonna sell the product without any knowledge. You're gonna sell just the product without any education. What do you sell? So which one do you choose? Comment below. I wanna hear. And thank you for watching.